Hey, this is Tim, and today I'm going to show you how to get more clients on LinkedIn. So the first tip is that you change your About section on your LinkedIn profile from third person to first person. So if you used to write, Tim Queen is a renowned personality and he's doing amazing things, change it to, hi, I'm Tim Queen and I'm doing this and this and this. It sounds way more personal when you're using the first person voice. And people are much more likely to connect with you because if you're using third person, either he is or she is or the name is, it sounds like some PR department has written your profile. You might not even manage your profile. That's the impression that you're giving when you're using third person. It might increase your perceived authority, but it will also make it way more likely that people will reach out to you. And if you want to get clients, it's really important that you're getting qualified client inquiries. So make sure that you're writing your About section on your LinkedIn profile in the first person voice. Tip number 2 is you want to include a call to action in your About section. It's not just about telling people who you are and what audience you're serving and like what are your products and services. You also want to include a call to action telling people who should reach out to you and how. For example, you could include your contact information. You could say, hey, here's my phone number. Give me a call if you have this specific challenge, or send me an email, or connect with me, or go to my website. Here's my contact form, or send me an email. The choice is yours, but you have to tell people that they should take action when they're already on your profile. Make it really clear how you want to be contacted and about what specific challenges and solutions. This will really make it super clear to potential clients that you are the right person they should contact, and it also takes away this awkwardness if they're like thinking about like, can I send them a message? Do they actually take on projects? If you make it really clear who should reach out to you about what and how, people will instantly feel at ease, and it will definitely send you message over message over message, and you will be able to attract a huge number of new clients with your new profile. Tip number 3, make sure that you include your contact information in multiple locations across your LinkedIn profile. You have a dedicated contact field that people can find when they're clicking on your profile. Include your phone number if you want to be called, include your email address. I would also recommend a contact form or a link to your website. You can also include them in your About section as we just discussed, but you can also copy them over and include them in your job experience section about your company or your current role. So it's really important that you mention this multiple times because people read LinkedIn profiles their own way. Some person might not even read the About section. They might just say, hey, this is always boring. Just go to the experience section and read what's written there. So by including the contact information at multiple different locations, you make it really easy for people to understand what you want to be reached out to and how they can get in touch with you. The more options there are, the more you communicate those options, the more contact and client inquiries you're going to receive. And tip number 4 is, why not include your contact information on your profile header image? You can open an app like Canva, or if you're a bit more fancy, get Photoshop or any image editing software. Just open a LinkedIn header template and then use the writing tool to include any contact information that you want to be reached out through your LinkedIn profile. This can be your phone number, email address, could be a link to your contact form or a link to your website. The benefit of writing it on your header image is that your header image can be so much larger. It's easy. Sometimes people don't read the About section or click on the contact field or look at the experience section, but the header image will always be visible. So if you have like this big, huge phone number there or like an email address, it's right in their face and they definitely know this is how they can reach out to you. So it makes it really approachable. A lot of times I notice people, they see the phone number and then they're starting actually reading the about page in more detail because they feel confident that there will be a way to reach out to you. So it makes sense for them to learn a little bit more about you. And those 4 tips will definitely help you, make you more approachable. People will have more ways to reach out to you and you're communicating them clearly on different locations. So those tips will definitely help you to be perceived as more approachable and will definitely help you get more inbound messages, especially if you combine those 4 tips with content marketing on LinkedIn. That means you're publishing high quality tips and strategies on the LinkedIn publishing platform. There are so many different formats. You can submit articles, photos, text, videos, documents. You can create polls. If you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn for content marketing, you can also check out my LinkedIn Leads Bootcamp. I'm going to put a link down in the description. It's a 21-day program that shows you exactly how to develop a complete LinkedIn content marketing strategy from scratch. Also, make sure that you download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide. Links also in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you want to see more videos about LinkedIn, make sure that you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.